Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps stopping on Uber app. You will click on settings. In the first page you will find the window of settings like this, and you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Uber and you can click here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage as you see here. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.